In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use the level editor of Physics Playground to create your own levels. You can place the ball and the balloon anywhere on the screen and draw obstacles between them. For example, with the freehand drawing tool, you can draw freely. With the straight line, you can create straight lines. Sometimes you want to place the ball on a straight surface, so this is what you're going to use. If you hold down Shift from your keyboard, it's going to be straight like this. If you release the Shift, it's going to be with an angle. For example, we want to place the ball over this line. If you click on the play button, the ball sits over that line without going to left or right. If you nudge the ball to left and right, you can see that the ball moves. By clicking on stop, you can go back to the design mode. If you want to delete any line or object that you created, you need to first make sure to click on one of these tools, either the freehand drawing tool or the straight line, and then right click, or if you use Mac, you can double finger click on the line that you want to delete. Whatever you draw can behave as a static object or a dynamic object. A static object does not move. For example, if I create this circle and it's static and I click play, it does not fall down. But if I create a dynamic object by clicking on the freehand drawing or the straight line drawing, and then click on dynamic, and then draw another object, and click play, you see that that object falls down. If you want to change the status or behavior of an object in the level editor, you first need to select it using the selection tool. For example, this has the static behavior. You selected it now, you can change this behavior from static to dynamic. Now when you click play, both of those objects fall down. If you want to change the color of any object that you created, you can select again the object that you want to change the color, and then you can change the color to another color using this color path. Or you can select the freehand drawing tool, change the color, and then start drawing. To clear your stage, if you want to clear your stage, you can click on clear. First, it gives you a warning. If you haven't saved your level, you should do so by clicking cancel and then save. But if you want to clear your level, you can click on continue. Another tool that you can use is a pin. You can click and drag and place the pin anywhere on the screen. Then you can draw a line to create a pendulum like this. But when you click on play, the pendulum doesn't move because the pendulum is static. You need to first select the pendulum and then change to dynamic. Now the pendulum works. Another use of pins can be creating a springboard. First, make sure that the static is selected, then drag and bring two pins into the stage, and then draw through the pins. When you click play, again, you see that the springboard doesn't move because it's static. We select it again and change to dynamic. You see that the springboard can now be used as a springboard which is moving. Let's clear. If you want to load another file, you can click on load and then select the file that you want to open in your computer. For example, this downhill file is an example of a level. You can click on open and you can see the downhill level. If you want to save your levels, you can click on save and select a name, and then click on save to save your level anywhere you want on your computer. First, a text file would be saved, then a JPEG file would be saved, which would be the screenshot of your level. So you save both of them, and after you're done with saving, if you're using Chrome, close this bar on the bottom part of the screen. There is a help button here that explains all of the things that I explained for you. So if you need any help, you can either ask the camp counselor or you can come here and click on the help button. Enjoy creating your levels.